Hi guys! In this tutorial I will be showing you how to make this very cute bra that is definitely an eye catcher, and the pattern can be purchased on my Etsy store. And without further ado, let's start. So you will be needing this net fabric, and I am just using regular net that I bought online, nothing special. And then you're going to cut out your pattern pieces like I am cutting them out. And you can also water your plants because, I always get sidetracked. Next, you're going to cut out your pattern pieces, and I am actually cutting out all of my pattern pieces but twice, okay? So this will mean that in the end it's going to be a bit more sturdy than if you would just make it in a one layer of mesh, but you can definitely do that. But if you want more support, I suggest 2 layers just to be safe. And you will be cutting out all of these pieces, and then you're going to overlock the side seams. And once you have overlocked the side seams, then you're going to put left and right cup piece together and sew the side seam or the center seam with a straight stitch. Now you could definitely do it differently. You could sew the center side seam of first layer and second layer and then layer them together, but this in the end is not going to give you such a support because the seam is more flimsy than when it is done the way I am showing you right here, but it is up to you. There are more ways to construct this than I am constructing, and if something works better for you, just go for it. So once that is done, as you can see, you will now straight stitch the center seams of the bust pieces or of the cups, and once that is done, you will move on to top stitching the center seams flat. Now you don't really have to top stitch, it's actually optional, but it makes it look very nice. So if you have time, I suggest this step highly. Next, I will overlock the bottom hem of the cup itself, and then also the third part of the cup, so then we can attach them together with a straight stitch and have our cups ready. And you can top stitch again the side seam right here, but I decided not to. And if you will do it, you have to be kind of careful so that all of the overlocked edges are neatly in the side seam so that it isn't shown through, because then you're going to be having kind of a bit of an issue of top stitching the overlocked edges or overlocked seam allowances, whichever you prefer. Next, we're going to align our back pieces, and then we're going to take our cups and we're going to pin the side seams. And I actually here just overlock them together, so 4 layers together, but you can do it again the same technique as we've been doing until now. So you will overlock the side seam of the back and also of the cups, and then attach them together with a straight stitch and top stitch the side seams in place. And here you have to be careful so that everything is neatly aligning in the same direction. Then we're going to take our fold over elastic and we're just going to attach it on the front of the cups, just where I am showing you. And you want to also leave a few tails at the start and at the end. For this part you want to use a 3-step zigzag stitch or cover stitch, which I am using. I highly recommend everyone to get a cover stitch, it's a great machine. And once that is done, then we will move on to attaching fold over elastic on the... You're going to want to start and leave at least maybe 70 centimeters so you can tie it around yourself. And once after those 70 centimeters, you're just going to attach the bra to the fold over elastic, and you're going to go in the loop. And once you will get at the other end of the loop, you're going to again leave approximately 70 centimeters or more, depends on the size. And once that is done, then you're going to move on to attaching the elastic onto the front portion of the cups. And here again you will have to leave at least, I would say, give or take 10 centimeters for the X design on the front, and then you're gonna leave at least 50 centimeters of elastic to tie it around your neck, and then we're just gonna go and have the final elastic attached, which is all over the front hem or the top hem or the top part of the bra. I want to leave at least 50 centimeters of the elastic, and then you're gonna go in the loop again all over and come the other end, and you're gonna again leave another 50 centimeters as a necktie or as a strap. And there you have it. Now the bra is finished, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and will give it a go. Again, the pattern is available for purchase on my Etsy store. There are 3 different variations, so it's not just this one. And I have other tutorials, so if you would like to check them out, or like, comment, subscribe, I would be very, very grateful. Thanks. Bye.